what's in this box has caused me this situation. And I might have got a little carried away, if we're being honest. Let's open this thing up so I can show you what I'm talking about here. What is this? Don't need any of that. Okay. Woo! Don't drop them. Don't drop them. Voila. Gen 3 knock sensors. The reason I gotta pull the motor is because where this thread's in at is bigger than the bolt that holds the Gen 4 knock sensor on. Now these are designed to go in the valley up at the top of the block. But since I don't have that kind of LS, I gotta put them in the same exact locations on the side of the block as Gen 4 knock sensors. Not happy. I am a little excited though to get this motor pulled off, roll this thing out into the out from underneath the carport and pressure wash the frame, and then maybe go buy some rust inhibitor and just soak the entire frame with rust inhibitor, and maybe down the road that'll help me out. I've decided I'm not gonna paint the frame. I don't want to do it. This ain't no show truck. I just want to protect on it a little bit. That's it. Caused all this trouble. Let's do it. I believe I have all the wires disconnected that were connecting the motor to the frame, so I should be good to pull this thing now. I'm gonna do everything exactly the same as I put it in. I'm gonna put it in, pull it out, or pull it off the frame. I guess I ain't pulling it out since there ain't no body. I'm gonna undo the two bolts in the back holding the transmission. I'm gonna do the two motor mounts. Oh crap. Let me get these exhausts disconnected first. Dang, I forgot. This right here is the Gen 4 knock sensor that I have to drill and tap. So let's go ahead and get that out. I don't know what size that is. Maybe a 13? Yes. Go ahead and grab the one on the other side. Alright, I don't know if y'all can see the difference here in them bolt sizes, but that's where I'm at. So I gotta drill this hole for this to go in there. A tap with the correct drill bit size, and that I don't have. So I think I'm gonna go buy that so I can drill and do the first threads to make sure that this is gonna go in. Too bad it won't just screw in. Now, it does screw into places like this, I know, but that ain't what we're about here. I watched a lot of YouTube videos. They said this ain't gonna work, and you know that's kind of close. And I can't put it in the same spot on the other side because of the starter. So that's what we got to do. Lord help me not screw this up. All right. There's the hole. I got my drill bit. It's the right size that came with the tap for a 10 millimeter 1.5 pitch. That's what I need to drill this out to. I got one shot. Ooh. I gotta drill to depth. I gotta take a step back. I gotta find out how deep this hole is right now so I can mark it on my drill bit. Almost messed up before I even started. All right, I'm back. Got my calibers. 0. I remember how to work this thing. Right there. 5960. What the heck is 5964? 7/8. Okay. We'll drill at 7/8. I can deal with that. Let me lock this in and just double check. Yes, 7/8 bottoms out. And how deep is this? Nowhere near 7/8. So that's good. That means I won't need all these taps I ordered. Okay. I might be able to finish this today. What you doing, baby girl? Why you walking around out here? Okay, let's get some tape. I don't know how y'all mark y'all's, but I like to leave that little tab on there. That way when I'm drilling in, as soon as I hit that tab, I know I gotta stop. So I do it on all my woodwork, and I imagine the same principle carries over. Alright, got my drill on low, hand on drill. Here goes some of this transmission fluid I made a mess with earlier. Maybe get that in there a little bit. Oh God, there's no turning back. This is scary. It pulled and then it just stopped. Okay. I don't think I messed it up. I gotta blow all that shit out of there. Stuff. I got my tap. Got a little bit of tool. Tool. Why is that so hard for me to say right now? Just gonna teach you a little bit in there. Or a lot. Okay. It's in. All right. That started super easy. Makes me nervous that it was just too easy to do this. Have I been stressing for nothing? I've tapped things before, but it's always been like stuff that don't matter. I just re-drill the hole, you know, move the bolt. It's so easy. I just want to just like power through it because I know it's aluminum, but I want to make sure I keep cleaning this out. Oop, I think I'm at the bottom. So let's take this out. Clean it up again. Not all the way to the bottom yet, but I think I need to blow it back out again. Okay. Can't be far from the bottom though. Alright, I think I've gotten all the way in now. I don't know if my threads are deep enough. Oh man, threw that way over there. I think my tap is bottoming out. Alright, it's clean. Moment of truth. It's in. It's in, it's bottomed out. I just tighten it up. I put this motor back in now. Well, I gotta do the other side first. I drilled it already, I just gotta tap it.